About this item 1. Stainless steel insulated tumbler. It is made of food grade 18/8 stainless steel. Stainless steel coffee tumbler is firm, rust proof, no harm to human health, and without metallic taste. Tumbler's double layer insulation. Keep your tumbler dry and neat. Point 2. 40 ounces BPA free travel mug. A threaded lid can 100% prevent liquid leakage or the lid from popping open. Plus a removable handle, 2 reusable stainless steel straws, and a brush. You don't have to worry about spilling it when you carry it. Point 3. Vacuum insulated tumbler. 40 ounces insulated tumbler has a vacuum double wall design which ensures good insulation. No matter which season you are in, you can enjoy your favorite hot and cold drinks for a long time, keeping hot drinks hot for up to 12 hours and cold for 34 hours. Point 4. Portable super capacity coffee cup. The tumbler can be safely placed in most car cup holders, and it is more convenient and lightweight to use with the handle. Larger